Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to save on CapCut PC. Basically it's pretty easy, just follow these steps I do to not make any mistakes. So in order to show this process I created this small project. As you can see we have some videos here, overlay, text animation, some audios, and what do we need to save this project? Basically all we need to do is just to click on this red icon in the left top corner, as for me maybe in the right for you if you have Windows, and if you close it, as you can see now everything is done. It was saved to project and we have it right up here. So we have like projects. So if you click on it, everything looks like this, nothing changed, so we can just continue to work on our project. What's more, if we'll close our program like this without any saves, it will be still automatically saved. What does it mean? It means that CapCut PC provides us the auto-saving option on a project. It won't lose any changes as for us. Of course, if we for example try to reverse our audio, as you can see, and we'll try to close it, this progress maybe will be lost because we closed our program while operating this thing. But as you can see in the left top corner, auto saved and the time. It saves our project every single minute. Everything what was done was saved basically. So now if we'll try to change our position of our video, we can see that the time of auto saved was changed. So we can just close it and then just go back, and everything is still done. The only one way of how can we lose our progress is just to click on these three dots here and then just click on delete. But I hope you won't do this. So the CapCut will automatically save our file. As you can see, there is like even no option to click on save because everything is done automatically. So guys, this is a way of how can we save on CapCut PC. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.